You see this boy here. Tell what's your name? Samuel. This guy has been able to use solar panel and then motor battery and then some other things to manufacture his own electric motorbike. This one is a motorbike or a bicycle? A motorbike. And it's electronic. The moment he owns it here, the thing is going. It's just moving. Everything is there. There's a bell, there's a brake. No, this is serious. This guy needs promotion. This guy needs promotion. He plays music and everything on the thing. I've not seen some before. I have not seen some before. Someone can take must see this. Can take also one day. Hey, the guy is too much. The guy is too much. Wow. Hey, it's yo. Where is solar? Battery. Why you no any motorbike? Why you no any motorbike? Electric motorbike. Was 7 bia. And you won't be bia. Oh wow.
In which case, there's a drama party case.
Wait, not station. Hey.